Thanks for joining me on another journey. Today, we're in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. No, we got to see the girth move up and down. Go do it real quick.
Look, all these people are being nice.
It's okay, they're on
We're
tourists.
having a good time laughing.
Okay, well,
See, you're my clown even here, not just on my vlog.
For a long drive today.
all right.
We're hoping to learn that ball.
All right, go back, go right there in this corner, and
Okay.
because the Tetons are perfect. All right, is he jumping? You know, I'm not gonna actually give you a picture of that. I'm just gonna use it for my vlog. We're here at the Grand Tetons National Park. It's just a little bit south of Yellowstone. So if you're planning a Yellowstone trip, I definitely suggest putting in the Grand Tetons into that trip as well. It's definitely a twofer. It's worth it. If you have the National Parks Pass, obviously you can get into both of those parks and it'll save you, well, actually both of those parks about cost you almost what a National Parks Pass costs. So it's definitely worth picking one up. If you're over the age of 62, you can always get the Golden Life Pass as well, and that way you can visit the parks for the rest of your life for free. We're out here at the Grand Tetons National Park, overlooking the vast, what are you doing?
Hey, give me some toilet paper, man.
Yeah, you're showing your ass on TV. It appears to be a herd of antelope. These are the boats that take you across Jenny Lake. Gonna head across the lake to go do some trailblazing. What do you think about this?
You are entering bear and moose country. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. The bears are pretty active over here, although I haven't seen too many in the past couple days. So if you're lucky enough, just give them their space, take a picture from a distance, that kind of deal.
We're out here at Jenny Lake, just got off the boat, and we're heading up to Hidden Falls Trail. It's just a quick, easy 30-minute hike. So if you're out here, you want a pretty easy hike, come and check it out.
Absolutely.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
We had to show you our sitting area. You're not going to believe where we're at. Check this out. This is the spot to take a break when you're on a hike and just ponder life. Time to get off the couch and go visit the national park.
Woo! I did. Is it typical that you have some level of blood in your videos?
No, I usually cut it out.
But
I am bleeding again.
But you're bleeding. So is that a typical thing? Is at some point, like when you're going to put an episode, at some point along the way, you're going to bleed?
Yeah, when you climb up and down boulders and try to get the extreme shots, sometimes you get a little injured. It happens.
But you go to those lengths in order to get the shots for your episodes, right?
Got to.
Absolutely.
Got to give 110%.
My phone.
I'll call Lifeline that way. They'll get here fast. Izzy's about to go to the hospital for doing something completely stupid. Don't die, dude. Don't do it, man. It'll kill you.
Thanks, man. Thanks for testing me back from the edge, man. I wasn't going to do it. But brother, I had to do it. You got to have a little excitement in these videos, man. I'll do whatever it takes.
All right, time for the challenge. What I want you to do is go out this weekend, go on an adventure, video some of it, take some pictures, comment below of what it is. I'll pick the best one to put on my show next week.
That's right, brother. You get on out there. WWE style.
Don't mind his multiple personalities. All right, guys, just a quick travel tip for you. When you're getting ready to come out to Yellowstone or Grand Tetons, where we're at, you're looking for something to deter the bears. Just a friendly reminder, do not be tempted by that $3 bear bell. Go ahead and spend the extra $40, $45 on the bear spray. The bear bell scares all the animals away and you don't see any of the animals. And that's why you're coming to nature.
And also, on an environmental front, it really, really does hurt our environment. The animals stay away from these rivers, which they need the animals to.
Why you gonna make me break character, man?
Do my rant.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight.
We're here at Lower Inspiration Point, out here looking down upon Jenny Lake. What a magnificent view.
Tetons are actually better than Yellowstone.
Yep.
So,
In some ways it is.
in some ways it is, man. I mean, they got their best parts. I mean, it's just awesome. Awesome.
All right, guys, we finally made it to Hidden Falls, just out Jenny Lake. When you take the boat over, it's about $15 a head round trip to ride the boat, or you can walk from the lodge, but it is it's a real hike.
This message has been brought to you by Israel Locatech. Not a paid sponsor.
Hey, gang. We're just driving back, and I really wanted to do this. I've always wanted to do it.
Let's have a Coke. Cokeville. Here we go. Good. Have a Coke and a smile. We're out here at the Mormon settlement, just outside the Tetons National Park. Alright guys, I wanted to thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.